What's up, mate?
What's up, YouTube?
What's up, YouTube? Hey guys! We're currently in Saintes-Maries-de-la-Mer.
Yeah, that's in the south of France.
Yes, I think it's beautiful, and in this vlog we will show you what we do here and how we got here and how we go home again.
Basically the whole week.
Yeah. So let's jump right into how we got here.
So we basically took like 3 trains from Zurich to Nîmes. And between the trains, so every time we had to change, we had very little amount of time to get to those trains. The first time was fine, we had about 15 minutes. The second time we only about 10 minutes. And well, we couldn't find the train. 5330 was our train number, and it was supposed to go to Nîmes. But we saw a train which was 5336, I think, which went to Montpellier. So we're like, okay, it leaves at the same time as our train should. Let's just get into that train. And it was the right train in the end.
Yeah.
We almost missed it, basically. So.
The train ride was alright. I think the first one we just like hung out with old people.
Afterwards it was good. We slept a little bit. She drew.
Yeah.
I listened to music.
Artsy.
Yeah. And then her grandma and the friends of her grandma came to pick us up in Nîmes.
Yeah. So like my grandma has a best friend for around 40 years now, and they're so lovely. Like she's like a second grandma for me, and her husband is like a second grandpa for me. And yeah, they're so lovely. So they drove us here to Saint-Marie, and also went shopping with us.
Yeah. We ate dinner at their place. They're just so sweet. Oh my goodness.
And they bought a huge bottle of champagne.
We were a little bit drunk yesterday.
A little bit.
Aber weißt du, wie cool. Ja, da liegt
Mega, das ist schon mal eine neue Kollektion. Zusammengestellt von der Lizzie.
Cool aus, gell?
Yeah, but it was great. Like, they're so lovely. And also we are currently staying at Airbnb.
Oh yes.
And it's lovely. I think I will make
We can do a room tour.
a room tour. Okay, right now we are leaving for a little trip.
We're gonna basically look around over here. It's not a very big place, but yeah, you can get everywhere like by foot, and yeah, we're just gonna see.
Yeah.
And then the afternoon we're gonna go to the beach.
Yes. To the nude beach. Okay, we're gonna leave.
See ya.
Bye!
We thought that this apartment didn't have any Wi-Fi.
Copyright. Wait.
Oh yeah, sorry, copyright. We thought that this apartment didn't have any Wi-Fi because on the internet site it said that that there is none, right?
Yeah.
And then we came here and the lady speaks French, and Lena and I both thought we could speak French.
She mentioned the internet and Netflix.
Yeah.
And we were like, alright, yeah, we already know that there is no Wi-Fi and stuff.
Yeah.
And then I was here and was brushing my hair, and I just looked down and saw this. And it was like the Wi-Fi and
Password. And we're like, what?
Wait, no.
There's no Wi-Fi. She told us yesterday that there was no Wi-Fi and no Netflix. But as it turns out, there is Wi-Fi. Because we told our family and friends, everyone, we're like, there's no Wi-Fi this week. You're not gonna hear from us. And now there is, so.
Oh my god.
Apparently we don't understand French.
Hi guys, so today I show you how to make a French
Iced coffee.
I will take this one because we want it iced and put it in the fridge. And now we just wait.
Okay.
8 minutes
Really?
and 5 seconds.
I thought we said a no phone challenge this week. No, I'm just kidding.
Okay, hi. It's 8 minutes later. More like 80 minutes later.
Whoa! Hurricane Katrina! More like Hurricane Tortilla.
And the coffee is cold now.
We had to put it into the freezer because it just wouldn't get cold.
Yeah, we gotta take some milk.
So she drinks soy milk, and this is just normal milk.
Okay, what you have to know about lattes is that there is a lot of milk and only a little bit of coffee.
There's like a shitload of ice in there.
Ooh. Hi. Okay, now the background. Oh, you back!
Yes!
We're gonna go to the beach. The beach, the nude beach, because I want to get an even tan. And yeah, it's around 3 p.m. right?
No, it's like 2:30.
Okay.
Anyway, we've never been to a nude beach before, so
have-
it's gonna be fun.
Well, I have been to one, but Megan.
I've never.
Yeah, so we go now to the nude beach, but I will not bring my camera because like.
That's nasty.
Bye! We're at the beach. Now we got a little tan, or like nearly a tan.
So she got tan, I got like a little bit of color.
Yeah.
Because I'm not like white anymore. I'm like beige.
And then we went and took a shower. And
Now we're going for dinner
yeah.
into the town.
Yeah. Alright. See you when the food arrives because
Bye.
we're hungry.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, let's feast.
Yes.
Let's feast. All you need for a good meal is some vegetables, carbs, protein, and love. All right, let's get ice cream.
Yay!
The next day.
Morgen.
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 Yeah. Sorry.
Ja, is alles fertig. Niet meer voor jou.
Sag mal, Eis wenn du das willst.
Ja.
Das ist sehr gut für euch. Das haben wir genau für euch lassen. Dass ihr ein Like da lasst. Like es und wir dann das vergeben.
Genau, giveaway.
Giveaway. One strawberry. Like this video and comment your favorite color. And I will give it, and subscribe of course. And follow my Instagram. And I will give away this little strawberry. It's really sweet and cute and everybody wants it.
Yes.
And even Donald Trump. And
Yes.
yeah. So do that and maybe you will win this little strawberry. Hi, how are you?
We're walking back to town and we're gonna meet up with the grandparents. We're gonna go for coffee with them and then I think they want to go to a different like restaurant or something and drink some more alcohol. We're gonna have some more coffee. Take the day as it comes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Just get the vibes, you know,
Yes, exactly.
grandparent vibes.
Grandparent vibes.
But today it will be really exciting because we are going to a restaurant and
Oh yeah.
we're eating something really special and traditional here. And stay tuned.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
Guys, we found the perfect sunglasses.
Yeah, they're Gucci, if you're wondering.
Really expensive. 5,000.
5,000. What? Kartoffels? Kartoffels. Potatoes. Oh no, tomatoes.
We went down to the beach with our grandparents, and yeah, it was fun.
I was floating on an ice cream. I was tanning on my ice cream, you know? And then we got ice cream. Like real ice cream.
Oh my goodness, story time. The guys who were selling the ice cream, holy shit. He was like blonde with a man bun, and he looked like this guy from Stranger Things, who watched Stranger Things. He looks like Max's older brother, like Dacre Montgomery. So we came back from the beach, and now we're gonna go for dinner with our grandparents.
I want to see what we will eat because like it's bougie, but it's gross, but it's delicious.
Very French.
Very French, traditional.
Oh my god,
and,
comment down
like,
below what you think it is.
Oh.
That's what I'll be eating later.
That's nasty.
Alright, yeah. But about our dinner tonight, I'm really hungry. I think we're
A
both,
little nauseated.
yeah.
Probably because we're hungry.
We just ordered our food.
Yeah.
You will see in some seconds what
What
we
the surprise
got.
is.
Yeah. And I'm really hungry, so I'm really hangry right now.
And I'm just really tired.
So I'm really hungry. Like hungry, like other space hungry. Oh hi. How are you? I'm dying inside, literally.
I know.
But before we eat, we have to take a picture.
Yes. And she's gonna get bread soon, so then maybe she'll be a little less hangry.
Yeah, hope so.
It smells like
Garlic?
yeah.
What is it?
It looks like chicken.
But it's not. What's it? What are you eating, Megan?
Frog leg. Oh my god, this is so cute.
The frog legs were really oily and a lot of garlic, but it was delicious. I think it was also really crispy, but it wasn't much. But the thing was, because it was so oily, it just lays really in the stomach. Like
Yeah.
I feel a bit sick, you know. And afterwards we went for an ice cream. I think I will eat something at home when we watch our series.
Yes, our French series. Did we even tell them what we're watching?
Society.
Yeah.
La Société. I feel like we're low-key studying. Yeah. And now we just enjoy the beach until the sun really sets and yeah, get home.
The next day.
How are ya?
We totally forgot to film today.
So sorry about that, but we were busy.
Oh, we went shopping a little.
Just a little bit. Oh, we got ourselves bikinis. No, insert clip.
We are walking to the camping.
Yep.
Because our grandparents, plural, are making dinner for us or for us all. And first we have apero
Yeah.
because
They basically are alcoholics.
and yeah, that's all we do.
Yeah.
Insert clip of us eating.
The next day.
Hi, good morning. The lighting is great. So we're back from our morning sunrise walk / swim. We watched a beautiful sunrise and we also went swimming, and now we are ready for breakfast. Okay, let's eat. Bye. So we just skipped vlogging for the whole day. After breakfast, we went to the market. Then we got back home and Meghan fell asleep. And I read in my book. We went to the beach.
Yeah.
We had a drink, a mojito.
Like I was a little bit tipsy.
Then we went to our grandparents and we drove to... And now we're here and we are enjoying our dessert. And also some people were fighting. I know, it seemed pretty dangerous because...
We thought there was a terrorist attack.
No, because here are a lot of police officers. Okay, see ya. Bye.
The next day.
Hi, how are ya? Today I stole Lily's camera because I wanted to. No, I'm just kidding. She's right here. She's writing a card to people that she loves. I'm not gonna say who. And so yeah, today is quite cool outside, so we're not really doing much, which is nice because I don't know, it was really hot these past few days. And right now we're in a cafe and I don't know what we're gonna do in the afternoon. We just kind of are gonna see. And in the evening we're gonna go for dinner with the grandparents to a Spanish inspired restaurant.
Hi. Yeah, we're trapped in a shop right now. Okay, I just have to vlog this food because we got so hungry. And then we went to those food corners, like fast food, but like not really unhealthy, I would say. It's pretty good. Hey! Oh. Today is a really rainy day, as you saw in the clip before, but still I hate doing nothing. So I decided to go for a walk and I'm just in the middle of nowhere. Like, nobody's here. Like, someone wants to murder me. Great chance right now. Oh my fucking god. I'm scared.
Wir sind in Saintes-Maries in einem Restaurant eingeladen von der Meghan und von der Leonie.
The next day.
Hey everybody, it's Sunday. This morning I went on a walk. I did catch some footage on my phone and then we went to the town again, but today was a special day. Confirmation, I don't really know. And also because it was Sunday, it was that typical thing where this happened. And now we go to the beach, even though it's really windy. Because it's our last day, we eat again at my grandma's place and we also bought a lot of dessert for them. And tomorrow we are sadly leaving. Bye!
The next day.
Okay.
This was our last day in Saintes-Maries-de-la-Mer.
Yes.
We left around 10
Yeah.
to go to Nîmes.
We just spent some time with the grandparents, said
Yeah.
goodbye.
We had a nice breakfast with pain au chocolat et croissant. And yeah, then had a coffee with our grandparents in Nîmes. And yeah, that was it.
We've been on the train since 1 and it's, what time is it right now? 6:30. We have 1 more hour to go and then we're back.
So that was the video about our trip to Saintes-Maries-de-la-Mer. And yeah, thanks for watching, I guess.
Like and subscribe and don't forget to comment so that you can win the giveaway for the strawberry. Bye.
Okay, bye. 1,5 Liter.
Ja, wer Fieri.
Ja, trotzdem.
Fieri.
Ist das normal für dich?
Ja, sicher.
Jemandem sagen,
Nein. Ich habe das jetzt nicht aufgenommen.
dass wir so.
Comment down below if you think our teachers are fake.
Mine are.
Mine too.
Ich weiss ja alles, was du da rein da hast. Und ich wundere mich, wie viel du wirklich.
Nicht fast. Weißt du, wie viele Stunden ich verbringe, einfach aussortieren? Nur aussortieren? 6 Stunden insgesamt.